Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to contact a seller or a shop on Temu. So let's get into the video. So if you open up Temu application and once you're logged in, you'll see that you usually, like if you open up any store, like for example if you open up any store, for example here, so this is a store here. So if you open up any store, you will have the message option where you can straight away contact the seller. But as you can see, like this option is no longer available. Like Temu has removed this message direct option, so now you can't really contact the seller directly. So what you can do instead, this is something that I have tried by myself. So what you can do, so if you have a question to if you want to contact a seller or a shop regarding a product for whatever issues, so this is only when you have not placed your order yet. So once you have already placed your order, then you can straight away contact the seller through your app by using the orders option. All right, so that's through Temu. All right, you can do that. But if you want to if you have some questions or some doubts that you want to clear up before making a purchase, then what you can do, just open up any product that you have a question with. So for example, probably just choose any random products, for example this one. So what you're going to do, scroll down and get the item ID. So if you scroll down here, okay, you will see the product ID. So under product details, you will see the product ID. So that's the item ID. Just copy that, and then what you're going to do, just go to custom support. If you scroll down up, all right, so go to your U tab and click on customer support, and then under customer support, scroll down and go for live chat. All right, when you get to live chat, then what are you going to do, you tell them you need to contact, just let them know that you need to contact a seller regarding this item. So provide the item unit IDs, for example this one. So I just provided the item ID. So what happens, they will check the item, and then what happens, they will connect you to the correct store so that you can inquire directly with the store. So what you have to do, you have to go to Temu customer service and provide them the item ID, and then let them know that you want to contact the shop regarding this item, and then they will connect you to the shop directly. And then once they have connected you, so for example this one, so I gave them the ID, they have connected me. So when so the shop contacted me. So when I click on that, so now I can directly chat with the shop now. So and now I can contact the shop, and then I can sort out my issue. So that's how you can contact the shop at the moment, since you can't directly approach the shop or the customer. So you can only do that through Temu customer support. So hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.